Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and there is bombshell news out of the Supreme Court. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. I'm sure by now you guys have all heard the controversy surrounding the flags that were flown at two of Justice Samuel Alito's homes. Now, they say these flags were synonymous with those who protested at the Capitol, and, these flags were, a distress flag, and I don't even know what the other flag is. I'll be honest with you, the first time I saw it was on the news report. Never seen it before. But, the distress flag, the upside-down American flag, all that. And now they're talking about impeaching Alito over this. And I'm talking about the congressional Democrat leader having a conversation about impeaching Alito over this. Well, what's the high crime? What's the misdemeanor? Expressing his First Amendment freedoms? He doesn't have to recuse himself. There's nothing in the Constitution or the law that says he has to recuse himself. There's nothing in the Constitution or the law that says he can't support a politician or a political party. You got 3 justices on the Supreme Court that support political parties. The Democrat political party. And you had Ruth Bader Ginsburg, may she rest in peace, the justice who came out strongly against Donald Trump before the election. None of you said a word. Not a word. You got Justice Sotomayor's book. None of you care about that. But Alito flies flags that are nobody's business. They're at his home. Says his wife flew them, but it doesn't matter. And now there's talk about impeachment. Now, I will say that the congressional leader in question here, the Democrat, he says, let's not put the cart before the horse about impeachment. But he didn't rule it out. And believe me, I promise you, that's the road they're chugging towards. Okay? That's what they want to do. They want to impeach Thomas. They want to impeach Alito. They have talked about impeaching Kavanaugh before. So, that's 3 of the 5 conservative justices, and this is what Democrats do. They don't get their way, so they just kick all the toys out of the playpen and have a tantrum. I want you to watch this video and let me know what you think he's actually saying. Let's roll it.
If the Democrats retake control of the House, if the American public puts Democrats in control of the House, and say the American public allows Democrats to maintain control of the Senate, say the American public also allows Joe Biden to keep the White House, would you plan on doing something regarding Justice Samuel Alito, potentially trying to impeach him?
Well, let's not put the cart before the horse. The first step would be to make sure that we engage in aggressive oversight to get an understanding of what's happening, why it's happening, and how we can stop this extremist behavior from ever happening again. The challenge right now is that even the Senate Democrats, though they are in the majority, has the inability, or does not have the ability, I should say, to enforce subpoenas and try to ascertain and obtain information because Republicans in the Senate have the ability to block it because there is a 60-vote threshold with respect to subpoena enforceability. And of course, under Chairman Jim Jordan and the chair of the Oversight Committee, and we see what a mess oversight has been throughout the entirety of this Congress, they have zero interest in trying to rehabilitate the credibility of the Supreme Court. We're going to have to step into this situation.
It's not